brilliant's that?
That's hard work.
That was at 1 in 40, I put it down to 1 in 43.
Oh, it's still too hard, I think.
As we full blast it, Mum, you see how fast it goes.
Yeah, see how hard it is to walk.
Grab hold of those poles, Mum.
It's like being in the rapids on swimming pools.
That's so powerful.
Is that really good?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
Look, it's pinning you against the wall.
It knocked my glasses off.
Look how fast that is. Try and grab hold of those poles, Mum. Sneak up on it. You can't get anywhere near it. Can't get anywhere near it, can you?
Turn it down.
Just slow it down so you can get up against it. Right, now we crank it.
Are you ready?
It's brilliant. It's brilliant to swim at.
Turned it off. Okay. Mum, do you want to position your mirror?
Yeah, it's not cold in here.